Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bhagyashree Classes. Today we will know about the simple interest and solve some questions based on it. So let's start with the one example. There are two friends Ram and Shyam, and Ram needs to borrow money of rupees 10,000. So he went to his friend Shyam and asked him for lending the money of rupees 10,000 for 1 year. Right? So Ram kitni money borrow karta hai? 10,000 rupees ki. So here this 10,000 rupees will be known as principal. Right? So principal is what? Principal is the money that is to be borrowed. Fine. Now Shyam says that, see, I am giving you this 10,000 rupees for 1 year. It means I cannot use this 10,000 rupees for 1 year, right? So that's why I will charge some extra money on this 10,000 rupees which I am giving to you. Fine? कि मैं कुछ extra money charge करूँगा, श्याम बोलता है. Fine? तो simply it is decided that Shyam will charge 10% on this 10,000, right? It means 10% on the principal value. Fine. So this 10%, and it is per annum. It is given yearly that I will charge 10% per annum. Fine. So simply what is this 10% here? Rate of interest. Fine. So and what is the time period here? 1 year. 1 year के लिए money borrow कर रहा है राम. Fine. So simply what is the 10% of 10,000? Here it is 10,000. 10%. It will be 1,000 rupees. Fine. And कितने time period के लिए money borrow कर रहा है? 1 year के लिए. So here it is, I am writing here. So 1,000 rupees for 1 year. So it means what is the extra money that is to be charged by the Shyam? 1,000 rupees. So this 1,000 rupees is known as interest. Fine. So what is the interest? Interest is an extra money that is to be charged on the borrowed money. Fine. अब simply यहाँ पे 1,000 rupees है, 1 year के लिए था, so we have to multiply it by 1. Fine. So अब there is another term which is your amount. Amount क्या है? Amount is the total money which is to be paid after the given year. यानी 1 year के बाद टोटल कितना मनी पे करना है राम को? P plus I, यानी जो प्रिंसिपल लिया था 10,000 वो तो पे करना ही है, साथ की साथ इंटरेस्ट which is your 1,000 rupees. So total 11,000 will be paid by Ram. Okay. So these are some important terms. Fine. So now interest. Interest is of two types. First is simple interest and second is compound interest. In this video we will know about the simple interest only. So what is a simple interest? When the value of interest remains same in all the given year as it is to be charged on the same principal value. Right? क्या मतलब है कि सिंपल इंटरेस्ट क्या है? जब आपकी जो इंटरेस्ट की वैल्यू आएगी वो हर ईयर में जितने टाइम पीरियड के लिए मनी बोरो करी है उसमें सेम रहेगी. ओके. एंड ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ये सेम प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू पे चार्ज होती है, सेम रेट सेम प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू पे लगता है. दैट्स वाई जो वैल्यू ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आती है दैट विल बी सेम फॉर ऑल द ईयर्स. Okay, so simply how can we conclude that what is a formula to find simple interest? Simple interest is SI is P into rate that is given into percent and time, right? So we can write P into R. Percent means R by 100 and time. So simply we can write P into R into T upon 100. This is the formula to find simple interest. Okay. Now we will solve some questions. First is principal कितना है? 6,400. Rate 6% per annum. Time 2 years. See. So first you will see that rate is given here in per annum. कितना है? Yearly given है कि हर साल 6% rate of interest है. And time is also given in year. Fine. तो unit same होनी चाहिए. So if suppose it is given in annum, but here it is 3 years 3 months in second question. So first we will convert the time into, that is given into months also. First we will convert into year. Okay. So first do the first sum. This this is P into R into T by 100. What is P here? 6400. Simply put the values into formula. Rate is 6%, so 6 by 100. Time is 2 years. So we can solve this. 0 से 0 cancel. This is 64 into 12. Now you can multiply this. This is 12, this is 4 and 6. So 8, 6. This is your 768 rupees. Fine. 768 is the value of interest here. Now what is the total amount? मैं amount भी find करना है. That is principal plus interest. So what is principal here? 6400 plus interest is 768. So what is the total amount? Total amount will be 7,168 rupees, which is to be paid after 2 years. Fine. Now next question is, in the next question it is given principal 1500, 12% per annum rate and 3 years 3 months. As I have said, so now you have to convert this 3 months into year, because 3 years to completely year में given है, but this is in months. So first you will convert the time into years. 3, so we can write 3 year plus 3 months. Fine. Now we will change this months into year. Now as we know that month is a smaller unit than years. ठीक है, तो जब भी स्मॉलर यूनिट को लार्जर यूनिट में चेंज करते हैं, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड. नाउ किससे डिवाइड होगा? द नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स इन अ ईयर, बिकॉज मंथ्स को चेंज कर रहे हैं ईयर में, सो नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स इन अ ईयर. सो वी कैन राइट 3 years एज इट इज प्लस 3 months को when we will change into year, so we have to divide 3 by 12, right? So it will be 3 1 and 3 4. So we can write 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so it will be 4 will be LCM. Now we will take LCM. So 1 divided by 4, 4, 4 into 3, 12. And this is 1. So this is 13 by 4 is the time. Now it has been converted into years. Now simply put the values into formula to find simple interest. Principal is 1500. Rate is 12%. It means 12 by 100. And time is 13 by 4. So 13 by 4. Now you can solve this. 0 say 0 cancel. This is 4, 3, 12. Now here it is 15 into 13 into 3, 39. You can multiply this. So this is your 585. So 585 is the value of interest, right? Now what is the total amount? P plus I. P is what? 1500 plus 585. So it will be 2085 rupees. Fine. It is 2085 rupees. Okay. Now move on to the last question. That is 5,000 is principal. Time is 146 days and rate is 9% per annum. Again per annum में rate given है, but time क्या है days में. So first you have to convert it into year. Okay. So 146 days you have to, first of all you have to divide, because days smaller unit है, year larger unit है. And now किससे divide होगा यहाँ पे? Number of days in a year. यहाँ पे months को change किया था, तो number of months in a year. Here we are converting days into years, so number of days in a year. So simply time कैसे change होगा? 146 divided by number of days कितने years में? 365. Now simply put the all values into formula. This is P is what? 5,000. Rate is 9%, means 9 by 100, and time is 146 by 365. We can solve this. Cancel. Now 5 से divide. And 73 into 2 is 146. So here it is 10 into 9 into 2 is 180 rupees. Fine. So this is the value of interest. Now what is the amount? P plus I. So 5,000 plus 180 it will be 5,180 rupees. So it is the total amount which is to be paid after 146 days. Simply you have to convert the days into year because rate आपको per annum में given है. Okay? अगर suppose rate आपको quarterly given होती या फिर half yearly given होती, then you change the time accordingly. Okay? So that we will discuss in my next video. I will discuss in my next video. So thank you for watching my video and please like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.